Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file and his son's trying to cut this out. And at first it kind of like freaked me out. I thought, something's wrong with my mouse. I couldn't grab it. I even went to Object and unlock everything. Well, since I can't grab it, I can't unlock it, I guess. But I did go to Windows, Dockers, Objects, and right there that layer 1 is locked. So I unlock it and then I can grab it. So this is a size a hole you want, but you can see it's all blended together. So we're gonna have to grab it all, go up to blend, break the blend apart. And his holes are all different sizes, I think, because he maybe increased it or somehow or blended it that way. And we're gonna get rid of that hole and we're just gonna keep those two square holes. Now the reason it might not have blended or to path is because this part right here is not a solid. Let me get my nudge factor set on like 3 inches. And nudge it out of the way and you can see this is broken. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the Smart Fill tool and we're gonna fill that in and nudge it over. Then we can left click, right click, and we have a filled in, ready to go part that will blend now. And I don't know how many holes he wants, and I'm not doing this for him. I'm just gonna show him how to do it. I would actually suggest maybe going with a round hole, but we'll go with the square hole. So you need to make 2 copies. Go to Effects and Blend. You can see it's grayed out, but as soon as we select those 2 copies, the blend comes up. I'm gonna say 46 copies just as a guess. Don't have a clue, and you can figure that out how far by just changing it after. So then go down to New Path and put it on that path. Go to Object, apply to Full Path, and it did it pretty evenly. And I'm really impressed with that, how it did it. Now, we do not want that line, we just want the lines, or the dots. So let's go to Object, Group, and break the blend apart, then grab it again and go up to Object and Group and ungroup, and then see if we can't grab just the line and move it out of the way, and then grab our dots and move them back, and now you have holes. These might need to be on the edge, and we could actually bring in our whoop, I moved it a little bit, you could see it, nudge it back. So you could maybe move these to the outside, and you could just move them manually. I'm gonna actually make a second video how you can make them more perfect. I guess I didn't ungroup that part. No, I'm just not grabbing it right. So, and you could get it perfect. But that's how I would do it. I hope that helped, and thank you.